Here, in this video, I will show you how to make a prebiotic, probiotic Turkish Aryan drink. You should drink this on a daily basis for optimal gut health. You will need half a cup of yogurt, dried mint leaves, and 1 glass of water. Add all of them into the blender and then add a pinch of salt. Add 1 tablespoon of hashab prebiotic to the blender. This has at least 85% soluble fibers, of which most are prebiotic polysaccharides and oligosaccharides. Mix in the blender. Pour into cups and then garnish. Enjoy this prebiotic-probiotic combo drink that will produce the amazing metabiotics needed for optimal health.